In this video, we're going to show you how to use an ABB VFD with an Allen Bradley PLC. In this demonstration, we're going to use an ACS 580 you see on the left and a Compact Logix on the right. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do on the drive is click Menu, go to Primary Settings, and then we're going to scroll down to look for Field Bus. Once we do that, we'll verify the FBA is selected, and then go down to Communication Setup and go to Protocol, choose Ethernet IP at the bottom of the list, save. Then verify the profile is ODVA, and then we'll come down to the IP address and we'll type in the IP address as needed for your particular network. After we enter the IP address, we'll click Save and then scroll down to Apply Settings to Field Bus Module. We'll do this several times throughout the process to update all the settings we're changing. We'll then click back and down to Drive Control Setup. We'll first choose Field Bus Control Word and then Field Bus Reference, and then scroll down to Frequency 1000. We'll choose 1000 here to make a 1-for-1 scaling, and then come down to the bottom and apply settings to Field Bus Module again. Then we'll go back, come down to the very bottom and apply settings one more time. Click back. We're going to go all the way to the main menu, verify we're in remote and we're ready to set up the PLC. On the PLC, we need to set up the Ethernet communications to the drive under the Ethernet section. So we'll go down and right click on Ethernet and choose New Module. We'll then click in the search bar and start typing in generic. And then we'll come down and select Generic Ethernet Module, click Create. Then we'll give it a name. In this case, we'll call it ACS 580. Then we'll come down to COM format. We're going to change that to int, data int. And then we'll come down to the IP address, type in the IP address that we gave it the drive previously. After that, we'll jump over to assembly instance. We want to make the input instance 171 with a size of 12, and then the output instance 121 with a size of 12. Configuration will be a 1, and then click OK. And then OK again. Then we'll download this to the PLC. We'll then go up to Controller Tags and look for the name that we gave the VFD, ACS 580. Expand out the :I section for the input section, and then go down and expand out the :O or output section. The first word of the output section is the control word, the square 0 there. The second word, square 1, represents the commanded speed. So we're going to start off by giving a commanded speed of 900, which will represent half speed for this particular setup. Then I'll come up and give a 1 for the start. You'll see the drive start on the keypad to the right, as well as up above in the input section. You'll see the actual speed moving up towards 900. And that's how you set up an ABB VFD talking to an Allen Bradley PLC. Thanks.